Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Well, today I'm gonna share with you scrub for face. It's a simple recipe that you can find all the ingredients in your kitchen. Coffee is a source of nutrients and antioxidants that may benefit the skin, scalp, and hair. A person can use it to exfoliate, treat acne, increase blood flow, and balance pH levels. Turmeric has therapeutic effects on the skin and helps soothe acne, atopic dermatitis, and psoriasis. It also prevents facial photoaging. Honey has antimicrobial properties and skin soothing and conditioning abilities. Yogurt helps maintain skin elasticity by reducing moisture loss and brighten the skin. So we have here 1 teaspoon of coffee, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of yogurt. Mix all the ingredients together in a bowl. Spread it on your face and neck. Massage in a circular motion for about 3 minutes. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and wash off with warm water. You can use this scrub once a week to keep your skin moistured and healthy. And after using this scrub, you can apply a face mask. You can find a lot of recipes on my channel. And apply your favorite moisturizer. And that's it. You will get fair and soothing skin. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.